Hey everyone, welcome to the Pakistan Research Group podcast. This is your host, Megan Garner, and today we will be discussing how education has changed over time in Pakistan and what factors have affected this change. From different reliable articles, we learn that if you want to destroy the future of any nation, no need to wage war with them. Defunct their education, they will remain no more on the map of the world. And quality education is the only source for survival and globalization. With these powerful statements, we have to get ready to learn. Are you ready? We see here that there are many astounding statistics that we need to bring to our attention. First, Pakistan has the world's second highest number of children out of school, reaching 8.3 million in 2012, equivalent to 1 in 12 of the world's most out-of-school children. We see that 49.5 million adults are illiterate, but predicted it will have been increased by 2015. We also notice that Pakistan's spending on education is very low. For example, Pakistan spends around 7 times more on the military than on primary education. A fourth of 7 to 16-year-olds have never been to school, with wide variations by region, wealth, and gender. There are many factors that affect these problems in Pakistan, and we will look into the major ones here in a second. We know that Pakistan has definitely had a hard history with education. It hasn't always been a priority because it hasn't been able to be. One of the main reasons for this is due to the fact that many schools were attacked by the Taliban between the years 2017 and 2015. There were 867 attacks on educational institutions, according to the Global Terrorism Database from the University of Maryland. When the Taliban was controlling the Swat River Valley, they closed hundreds of girls' schools and the army retook the area. We've been learning from Malala's story as well. These events and attacks scared children to go to school, especially girls. Another reason why children have been held back from school is because of poverty. Not until recently, school wasn't free or very accessible for many families in Pakistan due to living conditions, transportation, health, etc. Education systems still aren't perfect in Pakistan, but they are free and there are a lot more programs that provide opportunities for children to go to school without problems. We need to now look at one of the most important things about education in general, the quality of the teachers and faculty. As I researched what factors played a role in the education problems in Pakistan, teachers had the most significant influence. Anyone that has been in school knows that the attitude and feel of the classroom all comes from the teacher. In Pakistan, there has been a major problem with educators and how they affect education as a whole in Pakistan. One of the issues right now is how teacher training is old and does not fulfill the requirements of the technological era, and teachers, quote, learn this curriculum only for degree, not for knowledge. Because teachers don't have the right motives or drive to be effective and genuine teachers, steps had to be taken. Quote, during the 55-year period between 1947 to 2002, not a single university could be ranked in the top 400 of the world in international university rankings. But by 2008, several programs were launched and research publications increased from 500 per year in the year 2000 to 6,250 per year by year 2011. These programs had a large effect in the education world during this time. They provided students with more opportunities to succeed by helping the teachers improve their teaching styles and training. Wrapping up our thoughts, we know that education is very important, especially in countries that might be struggling economically and financially. Education provides jobs and provides opportunities for everyone to learn and grow. Pakistan has changed their education system drastically over the years for the better, changing teachers' motives and finances, providing more programs and systems, and making education more of a priority has helped the country significantly. Here are my references in this page. I hope you enjoyed learning about the education in Pakistan and that you're motivated yourself to make a difference in your personal education.